There have been two massive changes that banks have quietly made that has changed banking forever. And if you don't know about these changes, this could be detrimental to your credit scores. Now, one of the major changes that the banks made will affect over 17 million people and can potentially get them denied for credit and loans. And the second major change that the banks have made quietly could get your accounts shut down, including your credit card accounts. So we're going to jump into the first major change you need to know about. The Department of Justice and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau announced today that they have withdrawn a joint statement regarding the implication of a creditor's consideration of an individual immigration status under the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. On October 12, 2023, the agencies published a joint statement cautioning that the creditor policies related to an applicant's immigration or citizen status could, in certain circumstances, run afoul of the ECOA's and Regulation B prohibiting discrimination on the bias of protected classes, including race and national origin. The agencies withdrew the statement to avoid any conflict with express language of the ECOA and its implementing Regulation B. ECOA and Regulation B retrospectively permit creditors to consider pertainment elements of credit worthiness and information necessary to protect the creditor's right and remedies, including a borrower's immigration or citizen status. Agencies also believe withdrawal is appropriate to avoid any confusion that lenders may legitimately consider immigration status under several circumstances, including when necessarily to avoid financial risk to comply with other laws. In addition, withdrawal is appropriate to address any misexpress that the joint statement interprets 42 USC 1981 to confer any liability under the status that has not already been recognized by courts. Finally, the agencies believe withdrawal is appropriate to avoid any unnecessary burdens from new or increased compliance efforts. Now, this change can really have a major effect on over 17 million people who's here legally in the United States through a green card or even a visa, because thus the combined numbers of the research of those that are in a legal status. And now banks can consider that for your credit applications of giving you loans and approvals. Now, with that change, that may lead to even these people that have credit card accounts and loans to possibly be called in, because now with the environment in the United States of the real focus on deportations, banks may consider it risky if a person, even of a legal status of being here, get a actual criminal record. They may be deported, even though they were legal prior to. And how could they collect on that loan or credit card account? So if that person is deported, the bank can see that as a possible risk where they can't get the money back on that loan or that credit card and recoup. So now this can be looked at as a potential reason for a bank to deny people like that mortgages, loans, even car loans. So this can get certain people denied for credit, which can have a negative impact on their everyday life. And even worse, if they shut down accounts, it can really taint their credit scores. Now, the second major change is the tracking of cash transactions over $200. Now, this is going to be another major change tied into immigration, because after the federal government has been really focused on fraud in the case of the Feeding Our Children Foundation, which is the case out of Minnesota. Now, the main person over that was an American citizen. But on the flip side, the majority of the people in that case was of Somali descent. And what's believed that a lot of those payments were sent overseas and supported a terrorist group. So now a lot of payments are being tracked in the United States, especially by banks. Even under the Biden administration with his DOJ, there was a major case with TD Banks, with the drug cartels, and Chinese gangs. And with this, they were doing money laundering, and TD Bank didn't take action. And the Biden DOJ even gave them a huge record fine that now have many banks very skittish because they don't want this kind of penalty. So any movement of cash going in your bank, coming out of your bank account, or even being wired can be flagged for suspicious activity and money laundering, including your credit cards. And so many people are seeing their credit card accounts shut down, their bank accounts frozen. That even happened to me, just for simply depositing money in your bank accounts because of these flags. Now, if that happened with your credit cards, this can devastate your credit score. Now, with my elite credit system, users like Sean have gotten great results. He went from a 612 credit score, all his scores now are over 770 in a matter of 6 months. And currently, he's at an 803 credit score. So if something like that happened to you and you need my help to improve your credit score, if your credit cards get shut down or just negative items on your credit reports, the link is in the description of the video and pinned comment section for my credit coaching and my AI software. Because with this going on, with banks shutting down accounts or even freezing your bank accounts, this can be detrimental. Or those that has immigration status that is not citizenship in the United States, it can lead to denials for credit. And as you apply for accounts, that create hard inquiries, and it can decrease your credit score. And you need credit in order to get housing, in order to even get a car or transportation, and in some cases, employment. So this can be financially a hardship to you and your family. So you want to know about these rules and you want to make adjustments accordingly. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. For more detailed questions from me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.